Hey folks, here are the system requirements for installing Hyperledger Besu, and it depends on a number of factors. For example, the size of the world state of the network, the number of transactions submitted as well, along with the block gas limit and the number and complexity of the various queries being handled by the node. Essentially, you require at least 4 gigs of RAM, although a minimum of 8 gig is highly recommended. Regarding disk space, Ethereum mainnet requires around 3 terabytes at the moment for a full sync. With pruning, you can reduce this to around 750 gigs, so just under 1 terabyte. If you want to run Besu on a virtual machine, you can do so using cloud services such as AWS or Azure, or even locally on the likes of VirtualBox. If you are running VirtualBox, you want to ensure that the Intel virtualization technology, or the one for directed I/O, are enabled in BIOS settings to increase performance. And on Windows, you may need to disable the Hyper-V as well. You want to give at least 4 gigs, probably 8 actually, on the virtual machine. The hard disk, you want to have at least 10 gigs, but 20 gigs is recommended. And you want to have the virtual hard drive disk file type as VDI, unless you want to share it with other applications. In that case, you want to use VDH. As an optional feature, you can also create a shared directory to copy the block files or Genesis file from one computer to another. I'll post this link in the description down below, and there you have it, the system requirements for installing Hyperledger Besu.